Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this video, I am going to show you how we can repair a window handle. Sometimes our window handle is stuck and then we cannot open or cannot close and then window is stuck. So how we are going to repair that window handle instead of buying the new and so much cost of the new handle. So we just repair the window handle and easily solve our problem. So before we start, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's go to our topic and continue. Okay friends, so as you can see, this one is window handle. Sometime it is stuck, same like this. You see now it's stuck. So we cannot close or cannot lock the window. If we use the key for this lock, we cannot lock because of the it's stuck in the between. If I show you the other window handle, you can see here that it's in the good position and then in the center, so we can easily lock this window. But in our case, this one, you can see here I move but cannot move. So how we are going to solve that issue? We open it back and then we set up the inside and then solve this issue. Okay friends, so you can see here the lock already come out and then that's why we cannot close properly. We open this one, open all, and so now we fix the clips. You can see here this one is the round for this lock. So how the lock is working, you can see here. If I twist like this, so it's moving the clips. So we fix like this. You can see, very simple and easy. It's not difficult to fix. So you can fix like that. Then another clip also you fix like this. You just fix, put there, then the cover will hold this clip, so no worries about that one. Then you can see the cover plastic, it will hold the clips. So press down. Now you can see, if we want to open the window like that, if we want to close the window like that. It's very simple and easy to fix. So now our handle is ready. We go and fix the screw back. So very simple and easy to do. It's not difficult. Some people they are confusing and then they go buy the new handle. New handle also it's same thing. Just open this one and then fix these two clips. That's it. It's not a difficult job. You can do it by yourself. It's very simple and easy. Okay friends, so you can see here these two clip must be go inside here. One side this one side this one. So make sure this both clip go inside the window bar. So these two clip we put here first. Okay friends, so you can see here I open, then I close. So now you can see the bar is straight. We can easily lock our window and then easily we can open. We put back our clips. Okay friends, so hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. If you have any question, comment below. I'm 100% replying comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.